Here's the Chroma animation editor, and here's a quick process for setting up a basic damage animation. Okay, so first of all, you can install the standalone Chroma editor. It creates an icon on the desktop. So we run that, and here we are. This is the standalone editor. So if it's not selected already, start with a keyboard. We'll use red for the damage effect, which is the default color. And then there's this intensity slider here. For this effect, I could have it last almost a second. And in the damage effect, it will fade from dark to red and then back to dark again. Okay, so when we start with the color, I never want to go completely dark because then you can't see the keyboard in a dark room. So I'll start right about there. 10. And you can also type it in over here. 10 out of 100. Okay. And then I'll just fill the frame with that color. Okay. And already, probably can't quite see it here with the emulator, but we're already a little bit red on the keyboard. And then I'll just add a frame. Increase the intensity a little more. Fill. And add a frame. Increase the intensity. Fill. And you can definitely see it in the emulator now. Add a frame. Increase the intensity. Fill. And in the end, I'm going to have each frame 0.1 seconds. When I'm adding a frame, their default duration is a second. So when I'm done, it'll override the frames to be 100 milliseconds. Okay, so we're already at 5, so this would be the peak. Added the 10 frames for a second. So I'll set this to be full intensity. Add a frame. And then start to drop the intensity down. The last frame, finish at that 10. Okay. And fill the frame. All right. And then if I play the animation. Okay, so each frame is doing the full second. So now I'll override the time so each frame is 0.1 seconds. There we go. So there's the 10 frames. And play. So now here's what the damage effect would be. So you could use this effect when your character is taking damage, or you bump into something, or you have an alert. And there's the loop button, so it'll continuously play, finish the animation, and then play again. Okay, and I can also stop the animation. Now once you're done, you just go to File, Save As. Say this is the damage animation on the desktop. Okay, and then here's the file. Now if I exit, if I double click on the damage animation, the Chroma extension is associated with the Chroma editor when you install it. So it'll automatically open in the editor and play. And there you go. That's how you set up a basic damage animation in the Chroma standalone editor. And thanks for watching.